OUST stock analysis and price predictions. Here's the buy. Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Ouster, man, it's 22% up. That's all I can kind of say. It's great performance. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Ultimately, this is how my chart's going to look like. Zoom out. Yeah, I'm probably just looking to double down on performance like this. Ideally, I would like to see a full candle close above 12.13 in order for me to really be bullish on this. So I'm really skeptic when I see a pump up like this. Last thing that I'm doing is just saying I'm getting involved. No, even if there's like a double break, I'm looking for a sellout. You know, who knows, might freaking melt. But we are gonna see. I'm not gonna again sit here and just assume things are gonna go for the better. But if you're waiting for rules, again, I'm not gonna assume I'm gonna react. If it does break lower, then I'm selling. If it does break higher, I'm not gonna straight up buy, but I'm gonna show you my exact approach. But if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month with the indicators, click the first link in the description.